Hey guys, welcome back to another zpult unboxing, and today we're gonna take a look at another Haylou product. So this is the GT2, of course TWS again, and this is a little bit more expensive compared to your GT1. So of course, yes, I haven't really taken a look at much details about the GT2. This will be just a raw unboxing. Of course, we're gonna unbox it and give you guys my maybe initial impressions and how it sounds like. Full review, of course, will come in the zpult channel. So Haylou again with that similar box than what you get before, and this is kind of a different design than what you get with the Haylou GT1s of the world. This is more like your QCYT1, kind of like that. It's kind of an exposed design. Of course, specs wise, Bluetooth 5.0, charging, store case, true wireless design, unified charging as well. So at the other side, of course, you do get some specs. Charging time 2 hours, calling time 3.5 hours, and of course the battery capacity 380 milliamperes of battery. You have ear tips, user manual, earbuds, and of course the charging case as well. Of course, opening it up, and yeah, I'm pretty sure this will be a different a little bit different compared to your usual Haylou in terms of the overall look. Course, because this doesn't have the case, so I'm actually not that big of a fan of TWS without a top case, because it falls. So I dropped my QCYT1 before several times, and the lobes just popped out of the QCYT1. So yes, I do prefer still closed kind of design. So opening it up, similar box overall compared to your previous, and wow, this is what it looks like. Actually, yeah, this looks kind of cool. Look at that, guys. Take a look at what you get, of course, inside the box. And of course, yeah, for unboxing, it's more of just me taking a look at the box, not a lot of details, but yeah, just me having fun. Of course, manuals inside, and of course you do get additional ear tips. And actually, what's really surprising here, guys, is I don't see a micro USB anywhere. Oh wow, so that's why you don't have a micro USB. So this is what surprises me in unboxings in general. Look at this, guys. So this is really surprising from Haylou. I didn't expect this actually. So look at the other side, guys. You have a charging USB case. Look at that. But yeah, let's take a look at what you get. Of course, you do get that kind of open design, and of course you do get lobes inside, and it's magnetic also. Design wise, this kind of actually looks a little bit more upscale compared to your usual. I'm a bit surprised with that. I didn't expect that it will be something that it feels a little bit better plastic overall. It feels a little bit more weighty, so that's really cool. And of course you do get that really unique looking USB charger here. Really cool. So it's already integrated, and really nice looking pair also. This was the first time that I saw something like this with this kind of build, which is really cool for me. Of course, in terms of the design, it's different from your usual Haylou. It has that logo at the top. It's not your minimalist kind of looking design. You do get the kind of Haylou logo there. A little bit more premium, but of course not that far off. Just a little bit. In terms of the build quality, it's very similar than what you get in your previous Haylou. It's still kind of plasticky, of course, but definitely the case is really cool. I do like the case here better compared to your previous Haylou. One advantage of this, the open design, is you don't have flaps, and sometimes flaps, after some time opening and closing it, might have a problem with durability. I cannot confirm that for sure, of course, but of course any moving part is additional less durability in your audio gear or gear in general. Of course, let's take a listen, initial listen and initial impressions in this one. Let's take a listen to my Deezer, of course. Just removing the plastics from this one, and of course it lights up when it charges. Hopefully there's no issue, of course. And of course, pairing now with my iPhone. Let's see if there's an issue with pairing. It says Haylou GT2R. Now wearing it. Alright, so on the ear, it's very similar compared to your Haylous. Other Haylous, it's very light on the ear, a very small lobe in the ear. It does isolate, I would say average. Not good isolation, just pretty average overall. But yes, it's light on the ear, so it's very comfortable to wear for a long listening session. And now let's have an initial listen. And of course, yes, I'm gonna do a full comparison of all the Haylous that I have here in the lab, so stay tuned for that in the zpult channel. Of course, this is just an unboxing. Some polyphia. Right, so it has that, Haylou house sound, kind of punchy, boomy bass, and some shimmer as well, again, on top. So I cannot confirm yet, how different it is from the Haylou GT1s. Again, the vocals is pretty clear. Of course, not the most revealing. Detail-wise, it's very similar still to your typical Haylous. So yeah, that's my initial lesson. Of course, don't quote me yet on that. We're gonna do a full review of the sound and all the details. Of course, we're gonna compare that and confirm that in the full review. But this is pretty good. Still, similar price compared to your Haylou GT1 Plus. And maybe a little bit more expensive depending on the store, around $30. So still, I would say a good price for something like this. And pretty cool that you have that kind of USB at the top. That is really, really unique. So that is our unboxing of the Haylou GT2. Of course, if you learned something, leave a like and subscribe for more content like this in the future. This is your vertical unboxing and just me having fun with gadgets and just me, blabbering around. This is not your serious unboxing channel. So if you're into that, consider subscribing. And of course, I'm gonna see you guys in the next zpol unboxing. Goodbye.